This is Dan from Cryptolite and welcome to another episode of Crypto News in a Nutshell, our regular news update for the latest happenings in the crypto world. Taiwan's new central bank chief talks blockchain for payments. A recent, roughly translated statement of his said the bank will also try to explore the feasibility of enhancing the security and efficiency of payment systems using decentralized blockchain technology. The remarks represent the first known instance of Taiwan's central bank foraying into exploring blockchain technology. Like other endeavors by global counterparts elsewhere, it's significant that the decentralized tech is particularly earmarked for supporting a core banking process in payments. Furthermore, Taiwan will look to embrace cryptocurrencies and ICOs in a move to foster and aid their development in the country, according to Taiwan's Financial Supervisory Commission Chairman Wellington Koo. And more recently, Taiwan's Vice Premier also urged the government to introduce a framework for the cryptocurrency sector, stating their impact should not be underestimated. So this is great news. Almost every crypto news update, we have international big government announcing that they are having more interest in cryptocurrency. This is great. This is what we need to really get us moving into mainstream attention. Our second news for today is Bitcoin, the new gold. Thomson Reuters analysts in their 2017 gold survey released in January noted the rising cryptocurrency prices in December diverted significant amounts of capital from precious metals. The report said retail investors have a shorter investment horizon nowadays, and many were unable to resist the temptation to get on board with cryptocurrency. Christopher Loney, RBC Capital Market Strategist, said the development of potential correlation between gold's value and cryptocurrency prices is fairly recent, reports Fortune. He said he had noticed a potential correlation between gold's value and cryptocurrency prices. The Bitcoin-gold correlation could increase over time, said Looney. The evolving relationship also means the converse could occur, whereby Bitcoin investors cash in their cryptocurrency in hard times for gold as a less volatile asset. In the long term, as cryptocurrencies mature and evolve into a major asset class, Pendle said digital currencies like Bitcoin will post lower returns but demonstrate a higher level of stability like gold and other safe haven assets. Next, Asian altcoin trading roundup. Top cryptocurrency is Omisigo. Woohoo! We love Omisigo. It's a coin that we reviewed just a few days ago, and it's a coin that we really are bullish for and we highly recommend. So it's good to see them come out in the Asian altcoin trading roundup as the top currency for today. According to CoinMarketCap, Omisigo is up 15% from the same time yesterday. It has made solid gains over the past 7 days of 18% and is still trending upwards. Omisigo has been one of the top performing cryptocurrencies during the month of February when most others have lost value. There are no other altcoins in the top 25 enjoying double-digit increases this morning, but a couple of others doing well include IOTA and Nano, and further down the list, DigiDex DAO, as always, is performing well along with Binance own coin and Eternity. So go Omisigo. Neo Airdrop, how to get free Ontology tokens. This is a news I'm sure you've heard all over YouTube. On March the 1st, 2018, holders of the Neo coin will receive free Ontology tokens. Ontology isn't the first application on the Neo blockchain. It is, however, the first airdrop. The Ontology team has also announced that they are giving 10% of the total Ontology distributed to the Neo Council to signal their willingness to help create a supportive ecosystem on the Neo blockchain. How will it work? The Neo Council will receive 10% of the total Ontology tokens. 20 million Ontology will be distributed to Neo holders. The amount holders receive will depend on the amount of Neo coins they have. For every 1 Neo, holders will receive 0.2 Ontology. Half of this will be freely tradable after the snapshot. The other half will be unlocked and sent to Neo holders during the snapshot when the Ontology mainnet is released, which is scheduled for the second quarter of 2018. All private wallets are able to hold Ontology. So that's great news for Neo, because now when you hold on to Neo, not only do you get gas as a free staking, you have a chance of getting free airdrops from the ICO projects on Neo. This probably accounted for the rise in price of NEO yesterday as well. NEO rose from somewhere around the 117, 120. It rose up to, I think, just 146, and then it dropped back down. It's currently sitting at 132, but I'm pretty sure the spike was because the news was announced the last few days. From NEO to Ripple. Breaking news. Ripple live for cross-border payments confirmed while Cornell University published Ripple proof. Breaking news this week that Collex Financial Services is using XRP in its international money transmission from the US to Mexico is the biggest news in the use case dialogue that has hit the cryptocurrency discussion. 3 days ago, Collex released the Collet, a cross-border transfer application that uses XRP for money transfer, as confirmed by the Collex organization, a Mexican financial service provider with an office in Hong Kong. Translated, it says, "We are proud to be the first in the world to reduce cost of sending international payments using XRapid, Ripple. XRapid uses XRP as a central artifact in the transmission of international payments, so in other words, the coin is now in use for the most significant cryptocurrency railroad application that's yet to happen." At the same time, Cornell's University Computer Science published an article, Distributed Parallel and Cluster Computing Repository, along with a companion protocol proof of an upgrade to the XRP ledger titled Cobalt BFT Governance in Open Networks. In a cryptocurrency architecture authentication proof style analysis of the XRP ledger protocol, distributed cryptocurrency system architects Brad Chase and Ethan McGrath proved that XRP is a highly safe cryptocurrency even in the presence of faulty or malicious participants. These proof not only silence any claims that XRP is not a cryptocurrency, but they also silence any claims that XRP is centralized. XRP is a distributed ledger in the same classification of currency as Bitcoin or Ethereum, but using a protocol that is mind-numbingly different from these ancestor coins. So this is very big news in the crypto world, especially this news is released 1 day after LightPay failed to launch. LightPay was supposed to launch on the 26th, but instead, because of a pull-out by Visa, they were unable to launch. And so it was a big blow to the crypto world because we were hoping to see the very first crypto credit card come into play by a big player in the space. So with that blow or that discouragement that the world wasn't ready to accept cryptocurrency, this breaking news about Ripple really is a very encouraging moment for the crypto community. Now moving on to Tenx. Tenx addresses major security flaw putting customer funds at risk. One user claims he is theoretically capable of taking over any Tenx accounts with relative ease. It is evident this is something to be worried about. There appears to be an option to trick the login system on the website, being able to bypass the rate limiting protection as a pretty big problem. More specifically, it allows criminals to use brute force to verify the code in quick succession, and all one needs is an email address of a Tenx user to take advantage of this issue. Once an account has been compromised, assailants can change the email address and the phone number. Additionally, improperly secured accounts allow for funds to be withdrawn without further verification. This exploit has been reported to the Tenx team before making it public. The issue has now been fixed, although it took a long time to do so. The hacker also received a $3,000 bounty for his efforts, which is pretty interesting. For a bug that could have cost the company millions in stolen funds, it seems like pocket change was paid. Even so, it is good to see the issue fixed. Tenx users are safe from harm, but everyone should enable maximum verification measures first and foremost. Wow, that's scary. Just a reminder how vulnerable the crypto world still is. Ending on a light note, first blockchain unicorns are coming soon. Unicorn Go is the newest blockchain game based on Ethereum and Universa smart contract, which is going to blow the minds of users with stylish character designs, a rainbow-colored universe, and a unique opportunity to breed mythical games based on genetic research. However, if you think that this is just going to be another CryptoKitties, listen on or read on. The team of Unicorn Go is a collaboration of blockchain enthusiasts, experts in different fields with their own talent. They claim that platform has the power to change the world, where everyone's personal world can be turned into a fairy tale where even people with musculoskeletal disorders can move their unicorns with a power of thought with the help of high-tech neural interfacing. One of the co-founders of Unicorn Go just entered into an agreement with the designers of Tesla, who also work for Rolls-Royce, and these specialists will be working with the team to develop gadget designs for neural interfaces. In the next 3 to 5 months, they will develop a complete design of gadgets to control unicorns with the mind. My goodness. The main goal of Unicorn Go is to create the first truly decentralized games where developers will have minimum control and the community members will be able to monitor any transactions and perform other actions with no third parties involved. The game will have its own inner currency called Candy Coin built on ERC20 token. I don't know whether to take this game seriously or not. The Candy Tokens pre-sale stage is going on now and it will be over by the end of February 28. And from February the 28th, Unique Unicorns Gen 0 will be available to buy with Ether or Candy Coin token and the game begins. So that's today. For more info, visit unicorngo.io. So there you go, guys. If you are a gamer or if you missed out on CryptoKitties and you want a new blockchain game to jump into, maybe check out Unicorn Go. And that's it for today's episode of Crypto News in a Nutshell. I hope you found this entertaining, helpful. And if you like it, remember to drop us a like and a subscribe. And you can also drop us a comment or a request for any coin or projects that you would like us to look into. Well, until next time, take care.